Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, we'll be making this super delicious green chili sauce or green Shito. I've got my vegetable oil, my onions, my ginger, my garlic, my peppers. So I've got serranos, I've got some rosemary, I've got some bell peppers and other types of peppers and spring onions, my hot Scotch bonnet peppers. You can use the red ones as well if you don't get the green Scotch bonnet peppers, and my bell peppers. So you have to make a combination of hot and sweet peppers. The hot peppers for some spiciness and the sweet peppers for some volume. So I've cleaned and chopped all my ingredients. I left the seeds in the bell peppers as they give some type of aroma to the sauce. Onions need to be finely chopped. To preheat the oil. First of all, we are going to fry our ginger, garlic, and spring onions. This is because we want to infuse the oil with the flavors and the sweetness of these vegetables. This step is very important. So we are going to fry them until they become golden brown or until they caramelize. In the meantime, I'm going to start blending my peppers. So I added a handful of nkete or aniseed to it. The aromatics have caramelized nicely, so we are going to take them out of the oil. I've added them to my peppers and I'm going to blend them all together. So these are my peppers, my bell peppers, my serranos, the Scotch bonnet peppers, and the aromatics all blended together. So I'm going to put this on fire for it to lose the water in it. I want to dry it up a little bit. So in the meantime, I'm going to fry my chopped onions on a very low heat. It needs to be very low heat so it doesn't burn. So we are going to fry them until they become caramelized. This step is also very important as we are going to let the water dry up and evaporate, and it will make our sauce last longer because there will be no moisture in the pepper. The onions are nicely caramelized, and on the other hand, the peppers are dried. So I'm going to combine the two together. Please make sure you fry on low heat and stir often to prevent the sauce from burning. If your sauce is too hot for your liking, you can add more oil to it to reduce the heat. It will also help preserve your sauce a little bit longer. In my case, I didn't need a lot of oil because the sauce was going to be consumed the very same day. I was using it for some takeaways I was preparing. I'm going to add one stock cube. You can either add this or simply salt to your taste. I added some Garam Masala to it. It's an Indian mixed spices, so you can add any spices that you want to it. It doesn't matter. If it's to your taste, if you like it, add it. So we are going to fry it until the oil comes to the surface. As you can see, the oil is nice and green. That means our sauce is ready. I recommend frying it a little bit more if you are going to store it for a long time. You can even save some of the green oil and use it in your favorite recipes like fried rice or sauteing vegetables for your banku and tilapia. Our sauce is now ready, so I make sure it has completely cooled down before transferring it into other containers. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.